Alright, welcome back to another bang video. Today we're gonna be doing a CPT question for my math class. And yeah, this is worth a lot of marks, so let's do it. The question I'm doing is number 3. I'm gonna read it out for you. Sophia is in a helicopter 250 meters directly above a highway. When she looks west, the angle of depression to her car accident is 62. When she looks east, the angle of depression to approaching ambulance is 34. We're going to have to do A, draw a label diagram of the second of the scenario without the necessary measurements. Alright, let's get straight into it. So right here, I, I made a little what it would look like, a representation. We have the helicopter, the car crash, the ambulance, and then the highway. It looks realistic to me. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, let's get into it. So obviously, we're gonna have to make a line from the helicopter to the highway, which this will be the line. They gave us the answer on how far it is, the helicopter, and how directly down the highway is, which is 350 kilometers. Now after that, what we're gonna have to do is point at the ambulance or car crash. Doesn't really matter which one we start with, but we're gonna do the ambulance first. When she looks east, right here, this right here, the line I'm making is called the line of sight because when she looks east, this is east, she's looking at the ambulance. Now, obviously, she's gonna have to look down, which is the depression, and the angle of depression, this is depression, is gonna be 34. Boom. Now, nothing's really changing on the same side. We're gonna be making the line of sight. Boom. And then we're gonna be making it go down. And by down, I mean angle of depression. We're gonna go mark this and we're gonna put 62. There you go. Now, as you can see, the triangle is kind of outside because we're gonna want the triangle inside here. And since it's outside, what we're gonna have to do is do the Z method, which is already showing us a Z, meaning we can do the Z method. And the Z method is basically just connecting the Z, and then obviously since it's the same up here, it's gonna be the same down here. So this is gonna be 62. 62. And this 34. Boom. Done. Now that is done. What we're gonna have to do is look at question B, which is how far away is the ambulance from the car accident. And A says draw a label diagram of the scenario with all the necessary measurements. And I think this is pretty necessary to go on question B. And question B is how far is the car crash to the ambulance? And what we're gonna do is obviously do it. So let's get into it. Alright, over here I have my little blackboard. It's a little calm blackboard. And we're gonna be doing it on my blackboard. So what we're gonna have to do is split the triangle in half, and it's gonna look like this. Boom, 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 and boom. Alright. Now that we got the triangle, we're gonna have to put the data, or whatever it's called. This is gonna be this, 34. Boom. And then this would be the highway, this would be the helicopter, 350. Okay. And now after this, we're gonna be using Soka tool. This is a method we learned. Tool. and I will be using tool. And this is the edge. So now that's done, we're going to be using tool. And the formula for that is going to be 1034, because we get 1034 equal that, equals 350. And then I add what we're trying to find. Now after this is done, we're going to have to do 1034 times add equals 350. And once that is done, what we're going to do is move the 1034 right here. And it's going to be looking like, oh, what the fuck? Edge equals 350 divided by 1034. And that is the formula. And it's going to, now we're going to calculate this. And I'm going to calculate it along. And it's going to equal to 561.3. Cool. Now same thing for the other side. We're going to do this right here. Oops. This right here. This right here. So now we know this is right here. This is going to be 62. And then obviously, same thing on the side. This is the helicopter. This is the highway. 350. And yeah. One thing I forgot to do is algae is going to be found 61. And we'll see what I'm going to do with both of them after this. Again, this is going to be our edge. It's going to be our off. We're going to do the same formula. We're going to use SOHCAHTOA. And yeah, that's it. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to put 10, 62. And then, pretty sure equal, yeah. 250. Edge. And then after that, 62 times edge equals 350. Same thing from the other side time. I'm going to move it over here, which would be edge equals 350 divided by 10, 62. We're going to calculate it. And this is going to be 318.9. And then this is done, 318.9. Now with the remaining answers, 561.3 and 318.9, we're going to add it together. 318.9 plus 561.3 equals 880.2. And boom, we're already done question B. So this would be 800 80.2. Now for question C, ambulance is traveling at 60 kilometers per hour. How long will it take for an ambulance to reach the car accident? So we're gonna do the car C right here. All right. Now that we know 880.2 is how far the ambulance is from the car crash, all we really have to do is divide this by 60. 60, which will equal 14.64. Alright, we're done. Now I'm playing. What I have to do now is again see how it's done. Therefore, it will take, let's zoom in. Oh, well, it will take 14, sorry, 14 seconds to reach the car accidents. Cool. Alright, yeah, this is basically done. If you want to know something, the guy in this car crash, he actually survived this. I don't know how, but oh, now I know how. He actually how he survived. But yeah, all right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below if you want more of this. Um, comment what I should do next in my next YouTube video. Help me get 1 million subscribers. Come on, guys. All right, bye.